Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back again with another really interesting coding interview question video. This time guys, we are going to solve question number 917, reverse only letters of Leetcode. Let's get started. So basically guys, the problem statement says that we are given a string and we want to reverse the string, but there are certain rules. First thing is that this string does not only contain English letters, it can have some non-English characters as well, and we only have to reverse those characters which are English letters. Okay, so for example, in this case you can see that we have got English letters A, B, hyphen and then CD. So wherever there is a non alphabetical character, that remains in the same position. So you can see that hyphen stays in its position, but apart from that, the rest of the alphabets, the rest of the string is reversed. So DC comes in the top and then BA comes in the bottom. Okay. Another example guys, this is also a similar example. You can see that all the non-alphabetical characters, which are hyphens in this case, are on the same place, but all the alphabetical character, if they are capital or small, doesn't matter, all of them are actually in a reversed string manner. Okay, so you can see that this string is completely reversed like this. Okay, yeah. Third example is also similar guys. You can see that not, in this case not is a non-English non-alphabetical character, so that remains on its place along with the hyphens and the equals, and rest of the things are reversed. Okay. Constraints are that the string length goes from 1 to 100. String can contain any ASCII values, and string does not contain slashes or double slashes, so no escape characters are present. Okay. So now we know the problem statement guys. Let's jump to the solution part quickly. Okay. So the solution approach which we are going to use in this particular problem statement guys is called a two-pointer approach. So what we are going to do, we are going to take our string and we are going to have two pointers. One which will traverse the string from the left, and the other one which will traverse it from the right. And we will see if both left and right are at the alphabetical position, then we will swap the characters. If they are not at the alphabetical position, then we will keep on moving them until they reach an alphabetical character position. Okay. So I hope the solution approach is clear guys. Now let's jump to the implementation part. So the first thing which we need to do is to create a small function guys to actually determine if a character is an alphabet or not. Because you can see that the most important thing here is that we are only reversing those characters, those alphabets which are actually alphabets, right? Non-alphabetical characters are not reversed. So we need definitely a way to find out if a character is an alphabet or not. Let's create a function called as isAlphabet. So private isAlphabet and char c. Now to find out if a character is an alphabet or not, we just want to check if it ranges between A and Z. Okay, so if C is if C is greater than or equal to small a and C is less than or equal to small z, then it's a small character, small alphabet, sorry. And the same condition that either it could be a small alphabet or it could be a capital case alphabet. So in capital case, it can range from capital A to capital Z. If this condition is satisfied, then it means it's an alphabet. So we are just going to return true. Otherwise, we will return false. That means this is not an alphabet, right? So now that we are done with this small function, we can easily use it in our actual implementation. Okay. So as I said before, this is a two-pointer approach solution. So we need two pointers, right? So I first need my left pointer, which is at position 0. So we will start from the left. And then I have got my right pointer, which is at the end of the string. So as dot length minus 1, because string, just like an array guys, starts from 0 index. So that's why their right index or the the last index is at the length minus 1 value. Okay. Now we are going to convert this string into a character array, so we can easily traverse it and swap the characters. So char array equals to s dot 2char array. This 2char array, guys, is a string function in Java. Obviously you can use similar ways in other languages. Okay, now I am going to use my two pointer approach, in which I will traverse both the pointers, right? And I'll keep on doing it until my left pointer is lesser than my right pointer. Because once left and right pointer become equal to each other or greater than each other, it basically means that the left pointer has traversed the left part of the string and the right pointer has traversed the right part of the string. So that means our job is done. So we'll only do it until left is less than right. And now we'll start the loop. So first thing is we are going to check if left character is an alphabet or not. So if left character is not an alphabet, so schchar array left is not an alphabet, then we are just going to increment the left pointer value, because it means we don't have to reverse it or swap that character with anyone. So we'll just move the left pointer. Same thing we are going to do with right pointer. So if right pointer is also not an alphabet, we are just going to simply not increment it, guys, but decrement it. Okay, so we move the right pointer towards the left position. Okay, but if left and right both are alphabetical, so if left is also an alphabetical character and right is also an alphabetical character, so if A is alphabet schchar left and A is alphabet schchar right, so let me make it right. In this case, guys, we are going to swap it, right? So for swapping, I'm just going to create a temp variable. This temp variable will temporarily have the left character. Then I am just going to take the left index of schchar array and put the right character value there. And finally, the right index will have the temp value, and this way it will be swapped with the left value which was there previously. So once we have swapped the left and the right characters, guys, then it's time to move the left and the right pointer. So obviously I'm going to move the left pointer ahead so that we can go to the next character and check if that is alphabet or not, and I'm going to move the right character in the opposite direction for the same reason. Finally, when this while loop is over, guys, we are going to return a new string, and in this new string we will pass the schchar array, and this schchar array is obviously, guys, the newly created character array, the modified character array, which will have all the swapped or the reverse string. So let's run this code, guys. Let's see if this works for our solution. Oh, I'm so sorry, I think I forgot to put the return type. So this is return type boolean because it's returning us true or false, right? And there you go, guys. You can see that the first case is accepted, which is our sample case, and hopefully all the other test cases are also going to be accepted. And yes, there we go. Okay, now looking at the solution, guys, we have to also determine the time complexity. So if I just look at the solution, guys, you can see that we have got one while loop here, which is actually traversing the string from left and from right. So we can clearly see that if there are n characters, then almost n by 2 becomes the time complexity, right? But in big O notation, we are going to round it off. So in that case, my time complexity is going to be order of n, right? Also, we know that we have used a 2char array function in which we are going to split the entire string into n characters. So in that case also, adding all that up, your time complexity will actually become order of n. Now talking about the space complexity. So you can see, guys, as we created a new character array. So we created a new character array having n characters, and in the end we also return a new string with n characters. So that's why the space complexity also becomes n plus n, 2n. But again, to round it off, I'll say the space complexity is also order of n. Okay, So that was the solution, guys, and I hope you guys like this solution. If it did help you guys in any way, then please guys, I request you that you do subscribe to my channel and you hit the like button for this. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please do write down in the comment section below. I would be happy to read them, and everyone else will also benefit from it. If you want to get the notifications of my videos, guys, then please do hit the bell icon so you can get the notifications of all my new content of shorts or long form content. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.